Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to go on a trail in my Titan, and right now, cold start. The trail that we were supposed to go on, the gate was closed, so we went 2 miles up to another trail. So I don't know the name of this trail, but my buddy said he's been on it before. So let's see how this one is. So inside the cabin I have the GoPro camera, and outside I have my old Google Pixel 3, which is for sale, guys. So I'm using that one. It has an OtterBox, so if it falls, hopefully the OtterBox saves it, you know. So we are in my stock Nissan Titan 4x4. Right now I'm in 4 high, and fun fact, well, not really fun because it pissed me off, but I forgot. I knew my tires had nitrogen in them. So I started to deflate them to pressure down my tires so my stock tires can get better traction. And my buddy comes up to me and goes, "Hey, doesn't your tires have nitrogen?" And I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "Well, you can't air them down because you have to refill them back with nitrogen." I was like, "You gotta be kidding me, right?" No. So I did one tire. So all the tires are at 45, I think, PSI. And one tire, the rear right one, is at, woo! is at 32 PSI. So he was like, "Yeah, you have to go to a big tire company to fill them back up with nitrogen." And I was like, "You gotta be." Yeah. So that kind of ruined my day, and I'm on stock tires. So, and my truck's not lifted. His Tahoe is, which hopefully the front camera can get. But yeah, so much fun, dude. But I wanted to come on this trail to show you guys that you don't need all-terrain tires, really, if you go on a little trail with minimal rocks. But I do recommend all-terrain tires. I do. I'm on this trail just because I have a free Sunday, and I love going on trails. Usually camping trails, like to get to a campsite. It's fun. So right now we came to a fork in the road. My buddy's trying to pick left or right. So we're going left. Oh my God, this is so much fun. I wonder, I've never been in a car, or sorry, I've never been in a truck that has like shocks or lift springs or anything like that. So I wonder how that would feel. Oh yeah? So my buddy's saying to the left is more narrow, to the right is open more. Oh wow, that is narrow. Yeah. That is narrow. Hopefully the front, damn. That is steep, my son. And this truck has like a something to tell me how level I am off-road. 6 degrees. Oh my God. I totally forgot about that. All right, window back up. Sorry, guys. Ooh, that looks like so much fun right there. I wonder if I can make that. No? You will turn? Give a little gas, little gas, little gas. There you go. There you go. You can't? It's blocked?
There's a car up there.
Blocking?
I think so. Want me to go up?
Yeah. Great. Right when I make the climb. Oh, there's a car right there. No, we're going back in reverse. Okay guys, so we are gonna go back and go to the right. So I'm gonna back up and go the other way. You good? Want me to go first? All right, I'm in the lead. Hopefully that glare doesn't mess with the camera. Woo! Okay. Can I control my gears? One. Whoa! Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. This is actually a good smile, guys. Like, I am, oh my God. And I have a seatbelt on now. Earlier I didn't. That was a good jump. Yeah, so I was wondering how much of a bigger difference of stiffness would the shocks and springs give this car, and how much like play, like bounce. Someone camping right there. Ooh, there's a little fun spot for me. Great. And he has a lift on his Tahoe. Ooh, that's a drop, guys. That is a drop. Let's check it out. Dude, that's fun. All right, seatbelt on. Reverse. Here we go. Let me lock my door just in case there's someone up here, you know, tries to mug me. Oh. Oh my God. Wow. Dude, that almost broke my neck. Like I try to hold my neck still. Jesus, that was fun. Wow, that hill's not, that's regular. I thought it was steeper. Jesus, that was fun. Oh my God. Oh, there's a dip. There's a big, not dip, but like, let's see. It's not that big. No. Woo! Woo! Oh my God. So there's two ways you can go. So hold on. Yes, my buddy. So let's go up this way. So I picked the way towards the picked the dead end, guys. Good job, Sebastian. Fucking picking a dead end. Let me get a picture, at least. So far, we've been on this trail for 27 minutes, and I like it a lot. All right, so we are going to take the straight road where I said that I didn't want to go straight. I wanted to come this way, but it was a dead end. So we're going the other way. All right, guys. So my GoPro died. The memory card filled up already. But if you guys have not gone on a trail in your truck or Subaru vehicle type of vehicle, go on it. It is so much fun. I'm having the time of my life right now in my truck. This is the first time taking this Titan on an off-road deal in stock tires. Stock tires, guys. No aftermarket, nothing on the outside. And it is so much fun, so much fun. So if you guys have a chance, do it. It is so much fun. So I'm gonna go wide right here. My buddy Tim's right there. So we're gonna come out and then we're gonna pump up Tim's tires again, and we're gonna be good. Ooh, there's my camera. Oh, hopefully it's still recording. Yes! Look at those tires. Regular tires, guys. Alright, guys, so that was the trail. I'll put the link of this trail down below. And for all-terrain tires, I do say you need them. Yeah, but I do recommend to get all-terrain tires. Comment down below which tires I should get. Also, which lift company, lift spring shocks should I go with. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.